you are watching the Times of India, and with us live and exclusive is Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, now at the Kharagpur railway station where he's just come back for a homecoming after 23 years. That he studied in. Sundar, this is also the railway station where he used to come on the Coromandel Express to Chennai. Tell us about that.
It's a long journey. It was always exciting because it's where I would catch the train to go back home. Didn't have a reservation always, so had some fun experiences. But it's incredible to be back in the same railway station. As you know, it's a very, very long railway station. So I have memories of walking with my luggage and lugging it for long distance. It's good to be back here. So, seeing the Wi-Fi coverage here is pretty amazing. The fact that we could take a place like this and get high-speed connectivity, which is really easy. It's been incredible to see.
This is one of the 400 railway stations that you promised that Google will put free Wi-Fi connectivity on. How many have been completed so far?
We set out a timeline for 3 years, and in the first year we had a goal of the 100 of the busiest train stations, and we have done 110, and we look forward to working and doing more.
Right. I was told that what you're finding when you're putting this free Wi-Fi, like stations in smaller towns, you're getting a lot of people coming in just to hang out. What interesting trends are you seeing from these huge millions of people coming into railway stations using this Wi-Fi?
We find that in rural areas where they don't have great connectivity, people actually come into the stations and they spend time so they can use. Shows the demand Indian users have for it.
So, Sundar, one of the things that you have promised the Prime Minister, Google is a very much important partner to India initiative, in terms of connecting India digitally and getting all Indians online. What are the challenges you see ahead of yourself?
I think really we want to enable affordable smartphones. We want to bring the price points down. We want to see better connectivity that's beginning to happen in India. We need to make sure the internet works in more languages than ever before. So we're working on all these problems, and I'm optimistic we can make progress.
Sundar, you are right from India to the US. You're the CEO of one of the great game-changing companies in the world. What is it like to be an Indian in Silicon Valley and running Google?
When you're there, what makes Silicon Valley great is it's a place where ideas are what matter, not where you come from. And there are many people like me from all over the world, and so I think that's what makes Silicon Valley as great as it is.
One last question, Sundar. I know you have to go. With Donald Trump becoming the US president, what does that mean for tech giants like Google and Silicon Valley, which thrives on diversity? So what does Donald Trump's presidency mean for you and companies like yours?
The administration is, the transition is going to happen. We look forward to working with the incoming administration like we've always done. And, I think there'll be good initiatives which we as a tech sector can do to improve the economy in the US.
Right.
And so on. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sundar. Well, that was Sundar Pichai joining us live from the Kharagpur railway station. And we will be tracking him through the day as he goes around Kharagpur. Thanks very much for watching. Keep watching the Times of India.